weeks ago, we had one of those weekends na talagang mapapasmile ka na lang when you look back. We were invited to a private island owned by one of my husband's high school friends. And from the moment we arrived, ramdam na namin agad yung peace and simplicity of the place. Parang ang layo sa usual na busy life.
Nasa loob ng glow stick. Nagugulong naman. Buhay pa pala siya.
Nakikita ko sa dagat, akala ko parang alien.
Parang alien.
May ilaw siya ng kulay blue.
Oh, may blue siya na ilaw pag nasa dagat. Okay.
Sea urchin. Ito ang kinakain mo. Ito. Banana.
Oh, may boiler daw itong manok na. Bird. Na mga chicken.
That weekend, we experienced camping as a family for the first time. And of course, pinaka-special yun for our son. Kasi first time din niyang matulog sa tent. May konting adjustment at first, but eventually, he enjoyed it. It felt like a little adventure for him. Yeah, we do.
You will not, okay? A good night's sleep.
Nag-uuno tapos nagpapatay ng lamok at the same time. May nakapasok po na lamok. Oh, you got it.
We also went island hopping and sobrang ganda talaga ng napuntahan namin. Clear waters, fresh air, and that rare feeling na parang ang bagal ng oras. Of course, in a good way.
Naibibigyan ko kayo, papakita ko na kay Governor na kayo naglilinis dito sa tubig. Ha? Oo. Sasabihin ko na nililinis ito.
So, ikaw ay. Yay! Seryoso ba yan? Wow! Okay, smile. Picture to picture. 1, 2, 3, smile.
But honestly, one of the best parts of that trip was seeing my husband reconnect with his old friends. Ang saya lang panoorin. Parang bumalik sila sa high school days nila. Kwentuhan, tawanan, and all those shared memories. You could really see how much he enjoyed their company. And this is what we've come to appreciate since nagbalik tayo kami. We felt so grateful na hindi namin kinailangan maghintay ng matagal just to find people like that. Alam mo yun, when we were abroad, it really took time to build friendships. Yung tipong magiging kampante ka talaga. But this time, it felt different. Ang bilis lang. Because, in a way, my husband just came home to his old life, to his people, and everything felt familiar again. That kind of connection, hindi mo siya basta-basta nakukuha. And we're just really thankful now we found it again so easily. If you made it here, please don't forget to subscribe. We're thankful to each and every one of you. Salamat po for being part of our Balikbayan journey. We'll see you on our next video. Bye!